What's up guys, welcome back to my artistry, and today I will be making transparent stickers for this mini 3x3. So in 3, 2, 1, go! So the first thing I did was search up Rubik's Cube stickers. Then on images I found this, then I searched up Rubik's brand logo. Then I went to PowerPoint and put the Rubik's brand, shrinked up the Rubik's brand logo so it looks good. After that, I took it to Word, shrunk it a little bit more, and printed it out. Now the stickers look like this: a red, blue, and yellow. They look really nice. Let's look at the other three colors. The orange and green look good, but the white, that doesn't look good. Well, yeah, we have to fix that up. But will those work? Oh, and we can see that this is much better. So the way I'm gonna make it transparent is, in this video I put it in water and took out all of the paper and made it kind of transparent but still worked as a logo. So let's get the materials. A pair of scissors and a bowl of water. Let's cut these out. Now I have to cut them into 9 different pieces. As you can see, the blue is cut into 9 pieces. So let's put them in water and let it soak there for about 30 seconds so we can take out the paper and make it look transparent. So as you can see, we are taking out the paper. Is this even on camera? Well, it's not even on camera. Well, so the transparent blue sticker looks like this. It doesn't look too bad. I actually really like it. So let's put it on glue. I only have a little bit of glue, so I can't be wasting. Or I have to get a new bottle, but. So as you can see, we can just take that and put it right here. And that doesn't look too bad. Let's do the rest of the blue side and see if it looks bad or if it looks really good. The blue side looks so good. It probably looks worse on camera than in person. As you can see, these 9 stickers just look so good. From a far away, and it literally looks like a transparent, like, cool cube. Let's make the green side. Now the green side is done, but there's a little problem. As you can see right there, there's this little bit of paper, but we will be fixing that and do the red and the orange sides. So as you can see, all 4 of these sides have been perfect. I really like them, so let's do the white and yellow side. The white didn't turn out as expected because it's white. Silver, I put all of them in water, so let's just take them out. I don't know if this is gonna work. So as you can see, it looks like this. I'm gonna let it dry for 2 hours, but most likely I'm gonna be changing the white stickers to something like a pink or purple, and hopefully they'll look good. Okay guys, so here's how it looks. I really hate the white. I'm just gonna peel them off. But thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. I will most likely be making another video, but like a complete video on this. But until next time, bye!